Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we coloring alphabets. Green color, yellow color, white color, black color, blue color, red color. So kids, now we coloring alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So kids, now we coloring the alphabets. So kids, first we use green color. Green color. And now we are draw A. A for apple. A for apple. Kids, the next one is B. B for ball. B for ball. Kids, the next one is C. C for cat, and we are using red color. Kids, now we using red color. C for cat. C for cat. Again we using red color. And D for doll. D for doll. The next one is E. E for elephant. E for elephant. Kids, now we using yellow color. E for elephant. E for elephant. Kids, the next one is F. F for fish. F for fish. Fish. The next one is G. G for goat. G for goat. So kids, now we using black color. G for goat. G for goat. Again we use black color, and now we are coloring the alphabet of H. H for hand. Kids, again we using black color. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Kids, the next one is J. J for jackfruit. So kids, we use white color. J for jackfruit. Again we use white color. K for kite. K for kite. Kids, the next one is L. L for lion. L for lion. Kids, now we using blue color. Blue color. L for lion. Now we using again blue color and draw M. M for mango. Kids, now we are coloring the alphabet of N. N for nest. So kids, again we using green color. N for nest. Kids, again we using green color. O for orange. O for orange. Kids, the next one is P. P for parrot. P for parrot. Kids, now we using red color. P for parrot. Kids, the next one is R. Kids, the next one is Q. Q for queen. And now we are draw R. R for rose. R for rose. Kids, the next one is S. S for sun. S for sun. So kids, now we using yellow color and draw S. S for sun. The next one is T. T for tiger. T for tiger. Kids, again we using yellow color. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Kids, the next one is V. V for van. V for van. So kids, now we using black color. W for wolf. W for wolf. Kids, the next one is X. X for X-ray. Kids, now we are coloring Y. Y for yolk. So kids, now we using blue color. Y for yolk. Kids, the next one is Z. Z for zoo. Z for zoo. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon, kids. Bye bye.